Hi, I'm Jimmy McMillian at Universal Technical Institute in Orlando, Florida. Welcome to Screamin Eagle class, where we learn all about performance and making bikes go fast. We learn about performance engine building here. We start with compression ratios, cylinder head setup. We do valve clearance checks, cam installs, and do green cam shafts. We put all that together and we apply it to our fleet of motorcycles. Everything from a factory drag bike, our V-Rod Destroyer, we have Sportsters, we move into dynos, we move into our Milwaukee 8 platform on our touring stuff. All of these bikes are utilized in my favorite place in the world, our dyno. Welcome to our state-of-the-art dyno, where you get to test, measure, calibrate, and prove that you can make horsepower and torque right in here. This is a DynoJet dyno. We have an electromagnetic brake in here to allow us to do fuel injection mapping. State-of-the-art system. It's all brand new in this beautiful new room. Here we will put our bikes through the paces and verify that they are good to go for your customers. We're always looking for new students down here in Orlando, so come on down and check us out.